So what's up? Today we're gonna be playing Build a Boat again. This time, I am way more better at it. And guess what? It is the Halloween update. It's the Halloween update. Woohoo! Yay, Halloween! Halloween was like 3 days ago. I don't know why I'm happy. So now I got these thrusters. And also, I got this. I got the printing tool. And also, guess what? I know how to do this. Now I can turn stuff. It has been so long until I have recorded a video. Then let me show you my latest build I built, which it took me a while to build. Behold, the Titanic. It barely can turn, and it's barely if it can move good. And also, guess what? I made it so look, boom. And also, let me get rid of this. And now let's go. Also, if you're wondering how I got these guys, done the Halloween boss fight. If you don't know where it is, then let me show you. Ouch. So this is the Halloween side. And boom. If you step on that for like 30 seconds, those black things, then then the door opens up and you get transported to a place called the secret place. But also, let me show you another thing on this side. Oh wait, no, but wait, come back, Thruster. So you go through the waterfall, and then here you're in the chill room. But you have to follow this order of potions. So you do bright yellow, bright red, bright pink, bright blue, and last of all, bright green. So it's a boom, boom. You gotta do the pink. You gotta do the blue. And you gotta do the green. And then behold. Behold. The Chill Thrill plushie. Isn't it just beautiful? Anyway. Moving to the next hidden chest. Okay, yeah, the next hidden chest is right behind these flowers. Wait, where? Don't tell me. Oh, it was right behind this flower. Yeah, you claimed that chest. Already claimed that chest. Well, I already got every single one. Let me show you. Boom. Every single chest. Anyway, let me stop flexing. And let's start hunting for some gold. Or AK for some money. That's my Mr. Krabs impression. Wait, what is this? Oh god, no! Oh god, oh god, oh god, no, 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 we can't get hit by those, we can't get hit by those. Oh god, we gotta dodge those. Whew, that was close. And the next one is in this stage. So it's covered up by rock. Look, see, there's the chest. There's the chest. Okay, yeah, I'm dead. Here's the chest. Help, 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 help me, help! I'm gonna die, help! Ah! I died. Anyway, well, I always wanted to get this. So anyone who has Robux they don't need, and they have above 7, and they have like 1,000, which they don't need and don't want, so they don't want their account to be hacked. Just go on to Buildable and then just click this. Just type in this username. Oh, wait, I forgot one line. Type in that username and then gift. That would be sure to help me, and that will show me some support for my YouTube channel. And also make sure to go down to that like button and give it a slap along with that notification button so you never miss out on my latest videos. So this is a build I was building earlier in my day. Boom, 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 boom. Wait, I really hope I don't get copyrighted. Anyone who has a YouTube channel, don't do that, or otherwise I'll get copyrighted. And then once you're sleeping, I will come into your room and slowly start to strangle you to death. Anyway, let's continue building. Should we? Okay, I take that silence as a yes. They're looking at you, whoever copyrights me. They're looking at you. The cannons will always be watching you. And if you copyright me, they will always be shooting at you. Anyways, enough with the dark stuff. Let's ride my Titanic. Should we? Man, why do I always get this silence? Oh yeah, because this isn't this is all these cam which you can't talk into it and the person replies to you. And let's go. No, oh shoot, I accidentally done that. Well, now they will be seeing this leaving the dock. Oh, we're going to take some impacts. Ooh. Oh god, the Titanic's taking some impacts. The Titanic's getting impacts mentally and physically. The Titanic isn't physically and mentally okay. Can someone please pay respect to the Titanic to help with the Titanic's mental health? So make sure to like and subscribe to help the Titanic feel better. The Titanic's dealing on you to help its mental health. Despacito. Oh wait, no. That's oh god, cut that part out. That's copyrighted. Oh god, no copyright. Copyright. Does anyone want to hear my controller? I take that as a yes. This is how much gold I have because these are dumb. Oh yeah, there's my Titanic. Yeah, I'm gonna rescue it. Yeah. At physically.com/physicallyhealth. Physically health. I am gonna save. No. Run, Titanic, run. Oh God. Turn. Oh God, my Titanic. I just have to watch as my Titanic, and I just have to watch that have a seizure and just get dragged by it. It shows like a kite. No, Titanic, wait for me. Wait, flip back up. It flipped. No, wait for me. Ouch, ouch. And the Titanic lives on. Yeah, don't mind that. That's just a Titanic. Don't mind me just loading in my beast of a build. Don't mind me. I'm just loading in a beast of a build. Oh, you're gonna load in your Wait a minute. I met this dude. He's my friend. And also he just... Oh shoot. No. I swear. Did you get in? She's stuck in the ceiling. Okay, yeah, you want me to put a chair in the ceiling? Yeah, I'll put a chair in the ceiling for you. There you go. Dude, you okay? Yeah, you can sit right here. You can sit right there in the cabin. Or you can just sit in the ceiling, like, you can just vibe in the ceiling if you want. Okay, yeah, let's go. Wait, oh God, no. Oh God, no. Oh God, mayday, 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 mayday. The engine's not working. Mayday, mayday. Shut down the engines. Mayday. Oh, no, the end. Oh, no. Dude, you ruined it all. You the idiot. Also, I just said stupid. I didn't actually swear. Don't worry. Don't worry. I didn't swear. I just censored out stupid with my own mouth. I can do this. So it sounds like YouTube is censoring it. So I don't get disqualified for swearing. So I don't get my so you don't get too overdosed with so you don't get too dosed with swearing. Because I go censor. And now I'm gonna make Rainbow. Hey, you ever heard of Rainbow Road? About road of trees. Because they're trees. Tree. Can I burn this lady? I want to burn. Hey, come back. Hey, come back. Come back. Hey, come back, boy. Boy, come back. Come back, boy. Bring me my money. Stop. Can someone help me? Once I place the chair, I must do the good deed. You know, I must place a chair on anchored. And then I must sit down. Do 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 do. Hey, what are you doing, guys? What are you doing, Toaster? Hey, Toaster, a step crewmate, what are you doing? I must burn this dude. Hey, dude, you're fired. Get it? Fired. Fired. Get it? That wasn't funny because I'm literally killing this dude by burning him to death. But at least I have some fun times. I'm just burning a dude and just saying it's fun times. Fun times. Wee, wee, I will burn you to death. Watch me burn as I kill this person. As I kill a person. Bye, guys. It was nice knowing ya. Also, I have the angel wings. Jetpack. It never runs out. I don't touchy touchies.